Okay, so we're still in chapter 12, but now we're going to look at compounding interest or calculating future value, but we're going to do so using tables. You have access to these tables. I posted them online, and I have them printed out here. So I can show you how to use them. Okay, so let's look at the first problem we did manually. We had $525 compounded semi-annually for 2 years. Okay, so just like when we did it manually, every time we have to have a rate per period and a number of periods. So we're still going to use 3.5% and we're going to use 4 periods. Okay, but now we're going to use the tables. So when I use the tables, every page has its own rate, right? So we need to go to the page that says 3.5%. We are compounding interest, okay? And we have 4 periods. Oh, sorry. So our factor is going to be 1.1475, okay? So now if I take 525 times 1.1475, 525 times 1.1475, that gives us 602.44. 602.44, okay? And if we compare that to our answer when we did that manually, remember we got 602.45. So we're only a penny different, and look, we got to do it in 1 step instead of 4 steps, okay? So now let's look at doing the $620 that we invested at 6% compounded quarterly for 1 year. Again, we still need our rate per period and our number of periods. Okay, so we have $620. So now I have to go to my page that is 1.5%. Let me find that. Okay, so the 1.5% page, I'm still finding compound interest. And again, we had 4 periods. Oh, so sorry. 4 periods. So our factor is 1.0614. 1.0614. So if I multiply that, my 620 times 1.0614, I get 658.07, rounding to the nearest penny. 658.07 is my future value, or the compound amount of $620 invested at 6% compounded quarterly for 1 year. Okay, and that 658.07, you see, is very close, 658.04, so we're 3 cents off now, but we still consider that to be worth it because look, we got to do it in 1 step instead of 4 steps, and we even earned 3 more cents in interest. Okay, so that is how we're going to use the compound interest table, which is also the future value, compound interest and future value. That's saying the same thing. Okay, that's table 12.1 in your book, but I'm using these tables because I have many more percentages on these tables. Okay, so that's how we find future value using the tables.